Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I want to say like 20 minutes ago, and I finally pulled myself out the bed. Yep, today's the day. I'm going to Cancun. So I'm about to shower, get ready, feed these cats, and try to get myself out the door in within the next hour. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take y'all on my journey. I'm gonna try to get as much footage of my vacation as possible. Hopefully I'm not too drunk to film. Okay guys, I'm finally dressed, I'm ready. I'm just trying to grab like a few last minute things so I can get out the door and start making my way downtown to the airport. It took me a while because I was being indecisive on what I wanted to wear, and then I was also have to play with these cats because I'm leaving for a while. I don't know, I'm not tired. I'm excited, but I'm also like not looking forward to this or the flight over there. I'm supposed to be landing there around 4 o'clock, which isn't bad because my flight leaves at 9, but at the same time, just like I want to be there already. But I've never been to Cancun before, so this is gonna be like a whole new experience for me, and hopefully I can get some ideas of what to do so I can bring Nico back there. I know she's sad that she can't come, and I wish she could, but she's gonna go see her friends in DC, or she currently with her friends in DC. I haven't heard from her since she was heading over to their house. So I'm in the car. As you see, I changed again. I'm very indecisive today, but I'm in the car. We're about to make the moves to the airport. Okay, so just pulled up into the parking lot to park the car. I made it here on good timing. It's 7:38. My flight don't leave until 9:15. So I gave myself an hour. Normally I give myself more. I'm about to go get on the shuttle bus and head over to the airport so I can go catch my flight. I made it to the airport. I'm heading to go check in so I can go get to my terminal. It's like 8 o'clock. The bus lady wanted to go do loops around the brown lot to pick up all the extra people before coming back, so maybe a little bit later. But we're still going, journey's still chugging. I got to the airport, told you how I was late because the bus lady went around the whatchamacallit multiple times. Then I got through to baggage claim, and then they told me I couldn't do a carry-on because of the flight, so I had to go buy a check my bag and pay for it. And then I was on that, the security check line forever, man. They looped around like at least 16 times because I was counting. I was like, all right, how many times do I have to go around this? How fast can I get, like, try to time it out? It didn't work out too well. But I didn't make it to the gate on time. Luckily, they haven't called my zone yet, but I like barely made it. So we made it to Houston. Welcome to my gate. I had to go take a little shuttle, but yeah, it's going alright. The trip's alright. I don't like traveling, but it's gonna be okay. So I guess I should go find some food. That would be like the best thing to do. Check my check actually though. Okay, so we're boarding our flight now from Houston to Cancun. I spoke to Nicolette before I left so that she can hear my voice. When you see this, babe, I love you. See you when I touch back down. Next stop, Cancun. Landed in Cancun. We made it. I'm heading to customs right now because I need to go through and get my bag. They made me check it. So I made it through customs. I made it through baggage claim. I got my bag. I'm waiting for a few people to meet up with me so that we can catch this taxi that we ordered to the Airbnb so we can set it up for a Ty's Bachelorette party. Made it to the airport. Waiting for Didi to come over with the car service. Met up with Nye. Or Nee. I'm sorry. I don't know why I want to keep saying Nye.
Oh my God, you're just like Ty.
I want to say Nye so badly. It's Nee. I'm sorry.
No, legit. Ty called me Nye for a whole semester. Actually, like almost the first year of all of grad school. And I legit would look at her like, who is Nye? Who is Nye? Who are you talking to?
Well, if you gotta curse me out, let it go. Do it.
I'll let Ty do it. She finally realized that was my name.
Alright, well Didi's on her way from the other terminal to come get us. Well, we finally got into the car, met it with Didi. It's me. And got my shirt.
So Ty says,
The wife of the party.
Party, okay. Alright. So this is the outside of our B&B. So we're going to go check out this crib. This is really like a hidden hidden gem. All right, so we finally got through the gate. Now we got another padlock we gotta go through. Y'all did your thing picking this place out. Yo, we can have dinner and breakfast or something out here. There's a bar inside and then out here too. What? We got a bar right here? I don't think there's anything. Wait. Random door. Oh, this is a bedroom. Take this one by myself.
There's a room over here. Okay, is your room? Got it?
Yeah, I think this one has to be my. Perfect. So we late to the turn up. Everybody already has gone. So we finally started drinking.
Drink number one.
Drink number one.
What part of the arm would this be?
Word, we need to get our marker going. Oh, thank you.
she played another song than this, right?
We gotta play a song you know she get turned to. They come in?
I think it's them. Nope.
Nope.
All right. Homegirl, leave this.
Hello. Where you at? Adrian trying to play games. Adrian trying to... How you doing? You need to come around. It's been a whole year. Hi, Tony. I'm good. How are you? Okay.
I can't let y'all in. I don't know what the fuck going on.
Y'all I can't let y'all in. Y'all not turned enough.
We ain't turning up?
Y'all not turning up. There go Quinn.
What's up? We going there first. We going there first or she going first?
Y'all go in first and let her come in last.
Wait.
So how you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
How's your day been?
Ready? You ready for your weekend? You ready?
All right, welcome to MTV Cribs.
Welcome to your MTV crib. Walk, but don't open your eyes.
You go beyond.
You can open them now, sis.
This your room.
This is you. You got a whole jacuzzi over here.
A whole balcony over
There's a
there.
whole patio over here. But wait, that's not all.
But wait.
That's not.
Didi,
Didi,
Got
calm
out.
down. She closed her eyes.
It ain't done yet. You. All right, so we showed Ty the house. Were you able to pick up juice?
Yeah, we got
Okay, we got juice. Do you mind being on my video? You know I do YouTube.
I know you.
Okay.
I'm like legit an hour to learn how to turn on
Producer out here, you know, we do big things, big things.
I
My boy
circled
Jay right here, yo.
what was around. I was like, okay, I see a remote here.
We out here.
Word, Vaughn.
How you feeling?
Listen, I'm gonna cry.
I'll turn the rest of the house.
Explain what you just did.
All you don't know from my boy Jay, you know, I'm an engineer out here, and we take safety very seriously, okay? We out here in Mexico, this dope ass fucking spot, but guess what? None of these gates lock. You take a power cord, got a power cable right here, you know, a standard 120, take this cable, you run it through the lock. Now when you run it through the lock, you run it through the gate. So now the lock and the gate are tied together, you put the lock on this side of these two ends. These two ends can never go through that lock. Once you lock it, this shit's secure. Ain't nobody getting in this bitch. Right? So now they gotta have bolt cutters because this is wire. So just so y'all know, no story of survival. I got y'all. More to come. More to come.
Is that forks and knives on the floor?
Okay. Everybody that knows the design process is an iterative process, right? There's a lot of different variations, right? So the first variation, we had the knives. We had multiple knives going through the lock. And we were going to lock it. We found that the knives were too thick.
Wait. What was that word that you used? Can you say that again?
Thick. What we had to do, we had to alter, right? Although it's a brilliant idea, and one may say, oh, he can just pull the knife out the top. Yeah, not so easy. We had to switch up from the forks and the knives, and we got the cable. So you hook this up. Mention me in the comments. I follow my IG IQ22. It's not that my IQ is 22, as you can obviously see. But my IQ is high, right? And the 22 is extra, right? 'Cause that's just me. So shout out to my boy Jay and his YouTube channel. Y'all stay safe out there in these streets, alright?
Okay, so part 2, we wake up to another one of Quinn's engineering booby traps in the house.